In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot with your existing Microsoft account. Think of Copilot as an AI assistant that lives inside the Microsoft services you already use. Instead of creating a brand new Copilot account, you simply sign in with your existing Microsoft credentials, and Copilot tailors its help based on that identity. If you use a personal Microsoft account for things like OneDrive or Outlook.com, Copilot will reflect that personal context. If you use a work or school account provided by your organization, Copilot will work within that environment, honoring your company's permissions, policies, and the content you're allowed to access. Here's the big idea. Copilot integrates across the Microsoft ecosystem. That means when you're signed in and using supported apps and experiences, Copilot recognizes who you are and can personalize results accordingly. You don't have to manage another profile or remember another password. It's the same sign-in you already use, extended with AI assistants that can summarize, draft, analyze, and guide you based on the content and services you have access to. Choosing which account to use depends on the task. For personal projects, your personal Microsoft account is usually the best fit. For anything related to your job or classes, your work or school account keeps your activity and data inside your organization's boundaries. If you have both, it's helpful to pause and confirm you're signed in with the account that holds the files, emails, or calendars you want Copilot to reference. This avoids mixing contexts and keeps your information organized. Copilot respects your existing permissions. It doesn't grant new access. It works with what your account can already see. If you can open a document or email in your account, Copilot can help you reason about it. If you can't, it stays out. This alignment is important for privacy and compliance. Still, it's a good habit to avoid sharing confidential details in prompts and to review outputs before you use them. A few practical tips make the experience smoother. Keep your account secure with strong authentication. Sign out on shared devices. If you notice results that look off, check which account you're using and whether you're in the right context for the task at hand. Small checks like these can save time and confusion. That's the core workflow. There's no separate Copilot sign-up. Just use your personal or your work or school Microsoft account, and Copilot will meet you where you already are, helping you get more done with the services you use every day.